Would you like to be a great coach? Well, one of the secrets of being a great coach is asking great questions when coaching someone. Did you know that training and coaching leads to an increase of 88% in productivity versus only 23% from training alone? So if you want to be a great coach, let me give you some quick tips. If coaching someone, ask great questions, because the goal here is not a monologue. The goal is dialogue. So ask open-ended questions, meaning questions that can't be answered with a yes or a no. And here's a quick tip. Use questions that begin with the 5 W's. Who, what, where, when, and why. Or questions that begin with the H, like how. That will give you a much better quality of dialogue by asking these kinds of questions. Also ask consequence questions. So when somebody answers you, say, well, what would be the result of that? What would be the result of this? What would be the consequence of making that decision? So if you want to be a great coach, it's simple. Just ask better questions.